Don't you just love Christmas ambience videos? Well, stay tuned, because today you're going to see how easy it is to create your own Christmas ambience videos using Clipchamp, YouTube Audio, and Leonardo AI. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is get our media. So let's start with the video we'll use. Let's break this down into 3 steps. First, we're going to create our prompt for Leonardo AI using ChatGPT. Second, we're going to paste the prompt into Leonardo AI. And third, we're going to export and import the clip into our video. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt to use in Leonardo AI. Good. Now let's copy that prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. To get better clarity on what you want your clip to do, add the negative prompt by going to the advanced settings and toggling the negative prompt button. Go ahead and add the negative prompt to the bottom of the original prompt. We'll go ahead and give it a minute. Great, here we go. Now we just need to download the file. Now we're going to grab our audio. Go ahead and go to your YouTube studio. If you haven't created a YouTube channel yet, let me know in the comments if you would like a video on how to start your YouTube channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the audio library in the left pane. From there, you're going to filter for Christmas. Once you find the tracks you would like, click the download button on the right of the track.
We wish you.
Continue this process for as many tracks as you would like. Note that in the column to the left of the download, there may be specific instructions on how to give appropriate credit to the artist. All right, now let's import our media. In the top left, click on My Media. From there, click Import Media. Select all files you wish to import. You may need to navigate to another folder to find your media. Okay, now we have the music. Now let's grab the video if you haven't already. Perfect. Now we're ready to go. Let's start by grabbing the video clip you would like to use into the timeline. I always test it to make sure everything looks good and compare it to another clip to see which one looks better. Okay, I think I like the first one better. What do you think? Add to the comments below which one you prefer. Now we need to duplicate this clip. So right-click on the clip and select Duplicate. That will add another clip to the end of the current clip. Do this as many times as you want. Remember, these are 5-second clips, so we need to string together a bunch to get through at least one song. I like to use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V and add at least 3 minutes to start. All right, let's play this and see how we're doing. Good. That's nice and smooth. Now we can add our first audio track. Go ahead and grab an audio track and drag it underneath the video clip. Let's give it a listen.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Perfect. No issues there. Now let's grab another and add it to the end of the previous audio track. I'm just going to add all of them at once, making sure there is no visible space between tracks. This helps with keeping a smooth transition between songs. From there, we're going to fill in the rest of the video clips. To do this, we're going to zoom out so that all video clips on the timeline are in view. You can use either the plus and minus magnifying glass on the bottom right, or you can use the control button along with your mouse scroll wheel. Once all video clips on the timeline are all in view, left-click a point just beyond the clip and drag it so that the purple box is around all of the clips. From that point, hit Control and C to copy those clips. You will then hit Control and V to paste it at the end of the timeline. Do this several times to fill in the rest of the timeline. Be sure that there aren't any gaps between video clips. You can do this by scrolling in where you believe a gap might be. If you zoom in close enough, you will see a trash bin you can use to delete the gap. Now make sure that your video clips go all the way to the end of the audio clips. For this, I just zoom in at the end and copy and paste the right number of video clips. Perfect. Now let's see how it plays.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, everything is looking good. I normally play out the whole video and make sure there aren't any audio or video issues. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to fast forward through that process. One note though, make sure you pay close attention to each of the transition points between clips to make sure there aren't any gaps. That goes for both audio and video clips. Now let's give it a title with some text to open the video. For that, we go to the left pane and click on the text menu item. You can select from many text types and styles. Let's call it Cozy, Christmas, Cabin. Perfect.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
You can also use the typewriter style font like this one here. It gives the sense of interacting with the viewer.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry.
Okay, that works. Let's copy and paste another one. Let's say, hope you enjoy the cozy cabin. Great. Now let's play it and see how it displays.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Let's update the duration of the second, so both lines retract together.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, we can delete the original comic text box since we're using the typewriter style font. At the end, we'll add another text box to say goodbye. Let's use the typewriter again for consistency. Let's put, "Thanks for watching." Let's see how that looks. Perfect. The only thing left to do at this point is export your video. Actually, before we do that, let's add a subscribe sticker to the video. There we go. We can also add one to the front. I'll just copy this one. We'll paste it here in the front. Okay, let's take a look at that.
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry...
Great. I think that will work. That brings us to downloading our video. Up in the top right, you're going to select Export. You can give it a name and choose the quality you want. Remember, higher quality means larger files which will take longer to process and download. Once you're ready, select Export. Times will vary depending on the size of your video. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you next time.